Welcome back to Motor Max, your trusted source for in-depth motorcycle reviews, industry updates, and all things two-wheeled. Today, we're diving into a name that commands respect in the motorcycling world, the Honda CBR 1100XX Super Blackbird. For 2025, Honda has brought back this iconic hypertourer with updates that fuse modern performance with the legacy of one of the fastest production motorcycles ever made. Whether you're a diehard fan of the original or curious about what the revival brings to the table, this detailed breakdown is for you. A legacy reborn. First introduced in 1996, the original Honda CBR 1100XX Super Blackbird was created with one goal: to be the fastest production motorcycle in the world. It succeeded, dethroning the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-11 and briefly holding the top speed title until Suzuki's Hayabusa arrived. But what made the Blackbird special wasn't just its top speed, it was the way it blended that power with civility, comfort, and Honda's trademark refinement. Fast forward to 2025, and the CBR 1100XX nameplate is back, reimagined for a new era. This isn't just a nostalgic cash grab. Honda has done its homework to craft a motorcycle that pays homage to the original, while standing tall in today's high-performance landscape. Engine and performance, built for the open road. Under the fairings of the 2025 Blackbird lies an 1,137 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine, a modern evolution of the original powerhouse. This engine delivers around 190 horsepower and 115 Newton-meters of torque, placing it comfortably in hyperbike territory. It's not just about peak numbers, though. Honda has tuned the power delivery to be smooth, progressive, and usable across a wide rev range. Whether you're cruising the highway or chasing redline on a mountain pass, the engine responds with immediate, controlled fury. The bike also features Honda's latest throttle-by-wire system, enabling multiple riding modes, traction control, and cornering ABS. These features make the Super Blackbird not only powerful but also safer and more manageable, especially at high speeds or during long-distance rides. Design and aerodynamics, a sleek, modern predator. At first glance, the 2025 CBR 1100XX looks like a spiritual successor to the original. It carries forward the sleek, aerodynamic silhouette, but with sharper edges, LED lighting, and a more aggressive front fascia. The twin headlights are slim and piercing, and the wind tunnel-tested fairing keeps air resistance minimal while offering excellent wind protection. The signature all-black color scheme returns, deep, glossy, and menacing, reminding riders why the Blackbird was always considered the dark knight of the sport touring segment. Despite its aggressive design, the ergonomics strike a balance between sport and comfort, making it a viable option for long-haul riders. Chassis and handling, stability meets agility. The CBR 1100XX sits on a lightweight aluminum twin-spar frame, engineered for high-speed stability and nimble cornering. Honda has equipped the 2025 model with fully adjustable Showa suspension, offering flexibility for different riding conditions and preferences. Whether you're slicing through twisties or soaking up highway miles, the suspension adapts with confidence. Braking is handled by dual 320mm discs up front with radially mounted Brembo calipers, and a 276mm disc in the rear. The inclusion of cornering ABS adds an extra layer of safety, especially when pushing the limits. While the Blackbird is a big bike, it doesn't feel bulky in motion. Honda's engineering makes it surprisingly agile for its size. Technology and features. Touring with a tech edge. This 2025 edition is packed with modern tech. A full-color TFT display replaces the old analog dials and comes loaded with features. Bluetooth connectivity, navigation, smartphone integration, and customizable ride settings. There's also a quick shifter and auto blipper, making gear changes smooth whether you're upshifting on a straight or downshifting into a corner. Long-distance riders will appreciate the heated grips, cruise control, and adjustable windscreen. Combined with a comfortable saddle and excellent wind protection, the Super Blackbird positions itself as a high-speed tourer just as much as a sport bike. Pricing and market position. Honda hasn't priced the 2025 Super Blackbird to compete with entry-level bikes. It's squarely aimed at premium riders. With a starting price expected around $19,000, it's competing with the likes of the Suzuki Hayabusa, Kawasaki Ninja H2SX, and even some offerings from Ducati and BMW. For that price, you get a bike that delivers top-tier performance, touring capability, and Honda's unmatched reliability. Final thoughts. Is the Blackbird still relevant? So, is the 2025 Honda CBR 1100XX Super Blackbird worth the hype? In short, absolutely. It revives a legendary name with modern engineering, sleek styling, and rider-focused technology. It's not trying to be the fastest bike in the world anymore, that era has passed, but it doesn't need to. What the Super Blackbird offers today is balance, speed, comfort, safety, and style in a single, well-rounded package. Whether you're an old-school rider who remembers the original, or a new enthusiast looking for a bike that can do it all,